How to buy TikTok coins with PayPal. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on Menu. Then go to Balance. Here, you can view your TikTok balance and other related services. Now tap on Get Coins. Here, you can view your current balance as well as choose the amount you want to recharge. Select the amount that you want and tap on Recharge at the bottom. Now double-click your side button to confirm and pay. Then tap on Continue to add payment information. Here, you can add all the necessary information required for payment. Go to the Payment Methods section and select PayPal. Then tap on Login to PayPal. After that, log into your PayPal account to proceed with the payment. Following these steps, you can easily buy TikTok coins with PayPal.